In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform an email design in Figma in just 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants to quickly and efficiently update their email templates using Figma's powerful design tools. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to Figma. If you haven't used Figma before, it's a highly collaborative design tool that's great for creating interfaces, including email designs. Once you're on the Figma website, you need to click on the login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today, we'll assume you're all set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to the home page. This is where you'll find all your recent projects and files. From here, look for the design section, which is where the magic happens. Clicking on this will bring you to your design files and any collaborative projects you're working on. Now you'll want to find the specific project or file where you intend to transform your email design. If you haven't already created one, you can start by searching for an email template. In the search bar, type in email template and you'll be presented with a plethora of options to choose from. Once you've located your desired template, click on it to open it. You'll be using a Figma plugin called Emailify for this transformation. It's an excellent tool designed specifically for crafting email templates quickly and effectively. So go ahead and click on Emailify to bring up its functionality. The next step is simple yet crucial. Click on Run within the Emailify plugin. This action will activate the plugin and allow you to start modifying your template. Emailify is notably user-friendly, offering a lot of options to customize your email design to suit your brand's needs. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layout until your design feels just right. To maximize your efficiency while designing, remember to use Figma's powerful collaborative features. Share your progress with team members or gather feedback in real time to ensure your email design aligns perfectly with your company's vision. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully transformed an email design in Figma. With these tools and techniques, your email design process will be swifter and more effective than ever before. Don't forget to explore other Figma plugins that might be useful for your designs. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.